Hello, everyone. Welcome to this live stream. Here we can see my friend Frank Verreck from NEUMAN ESSER. Hello, Frank. How are you doing?
Good morning, Martin. I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you. You are on the POWTECH, and the POWTECH is, I think, the most important fair for bulk solid handling, anything powder, 600 exhibitors and 10,000 visitors. How was your first day?
I wasn't here the first day, but my colleagues gave a good response that we had a lot of customers and having nice conversations about existing projects and upcoming projects.
Excellent. You have one big novelty which you are exhibiting on the stand as well. What is that?
It's our newly developed jet mill. That's the one we also presented last week in our live conference for all the customers in 5 languages. It's used to grind ultrafine with air jets.
What kind of powders do you typically mill with the OCX?
I couldn't understand you, Martin. Can you repeat again?
Oh yes. What kind of powders do you typically mill with the OCX?
Let's say there is a wide variety of products which is ground on the OCX. At the moment, we are talking about RCB, about graphites, about petcokes, about NMC, LFP. There's a wide variety of products ground on the OCX.
Yes, yes. Can you explain us the name? What does O and C and X mean? How does the name come together?
It's an opposed jet classifier mill. So let's say an X is our ultrafine grinding portfolio range of classifiers, and the O is for the opposed jets, where with compressed air we are injecting and grinding the material in the grinding zone. As you can see, we have four nozzles where the compressed air is entering the system, and then in the grinding zone it's ground, then in the classification zone it's classified. After the classifier, it's leading towards a filter where it is separated from the air.
Excellent. What kind of top cuts do you typically do with the OCX?
Again, I couldn't understand you.
Okay, sorry. What kind of top cuts do you usually do with the OCX opposing jet mill?
I'd say we achieve D50s in the 1 to 2 micron range, and let's say top cuts are in the 7 to 20 micron range.
Excellent. And you also start in the interview at Asbury Carbons. What kind of customer feedback from your reference customer did you get? What are the advantages of NEUMAN ESSER?
Let's say the feedback we got from Asbury is that we have a very sharp top cut, we have an extremely stable V50, and the biggest advantage, what they see at the moment, is the lower energy consumption and the reduced wear on the classifier. And that makes for them that they can operate the system for a longer period of time. They are saving maintenance time and they're saving cost because you don't have to replace the classifier head that often. So for them, it's a win-win situation.
In the webinar, we also had Daniel Kahoff presenting a little bit about the classifier. You have a quite special classifier.
Exactly, we have a special classifier design. I say the advantage of our classifier is that it's in the vertical way, so the air can enter in a very homogeneous way. So we're making very stable top cuts and very stable V50s. In combination with that, we have a very stable wear pattern over the classifier, and in that way, result in long-lasting classifier wheels.
Excellent. Anything other new from POWTECH, or is the OCX the main exhibit you present at POWTECH?
Exactly. At the moment, our main exhibit piece is the OCX, because it's a newly developed equipment. We're presenting that to the market. Apart from that, we are also talking about all our other mills. Maybe Torsten can show that on the display. We have our pendulum mill, our impact mill, our classification range. There's a lot to see.
Okay.
Very nice stand. Thank you, Frank. Anything else, Torsten, Frank, and of course Anybody interested close to Nuremberg can visit you, right? You're in Hall 11 on stand 112. Is that correct?
Yeah, this is perfect. We are there, and we are hopeful to see you here. So come, coffee is here, yeah, and I hope you come.
Sounds very good. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Torsten. Have a good day too on the POWTECH and day 3 tomorrow. And of course, see you in Barcelona for Recovered Carbon Black Europe.
Okay, thank you, Martin. See you in Barcelona. I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Have a good fair.
Bye.
Bye-bye.